Hey there! There are days when you just don't feel like thinking too much, but you still want to make money. Apparently, Richard Duncan, one of the creators of today's indicator, had days like that too. An indicator with which you will conquer trading markets, with almost no thinking involved. And if you understand that making money in trading is hard work, learning and even more hard work, DM me on Telegram, message me and sign up for personal training with my top student. You'll learn trading much faster that way. Now let's get to trading. First, let me show you how to set up the indicators. We need Japanese candles with a 15-second time frame. The trade's expiration time is 60 seconds and I'm entering with 500 bucks. Now let's select the indicator. We need the moving average. Let's tweak it a bit, change the period to 50, yellow style with a thickness of 3. Okay, this is how our indicator looks. I'll open a short trade straight away. Let me show you why. We are seeing a strong downward trend and we can observe how the price repeatedly bounced off our moving average. It has already started to rebound. Okay. It's going down now. Watch this. Yes, here. So beautiful. Obey, mommy. What a beauty. An absolute masterpiece. Money is in the account. And let's keep making profits, guys. Now we've got time to explain how a moving average works. The moving average smooths out price fluctuations, making it easier to understand where the market is heading. Okay, for example, if the price is above this line, it usually indicates an uptrend, and if it's below, a downtrend. You should trade with the moving average only in the direction of the trend. Wait for the price to touch the EMA and open your trade in that direction. And that's it, guys. Okay, let me show you an example. I just needed to find the right spot to enter. Alright, I'm going long here. What do we have? The price is at the moving average. That's 1. We have an uptrend. That's 2. Remember that I just set and opened a long trade. There is no noticeable growth on the chart yet. Yeah, here's the reaction. Yes! Finally, we are good. 5 seconds. Yes, we won! That was unexpected. As you can see, the trend is gradually flattening. At 1740, the growth was much more noticeable. And now we are nearly flat. Trading with the moving average isn't advisable in flat markets. Alright, great. I open a short trade here. You can probably see why, but I'll explain anyway. There is a downtrend, the price touched the moving average. And let's watch. Kiss my ass! Where are you going? The trend broke at this point. Buyers are done being humiliated. Oh my god. I'm done being humiliated too. This trade will end. And I'm going to... Yes. Yeah, oh my god, yes, done it! Stop playing with my nerves. Phew. What was I saying? Alright, forget this trade. You can't predict everything. This strategy works 90% of the time if you know what you're doing. But predicting everything is impossible, of course. So let's move on. And two long trades, we are recovering our losses. Look at that beautiful uptrend on the screen. We've reached the moving average and can expect some good growth. Let's sit back and watch. Well, not bad. Oh, it's bad? Not bad. Okay, awesome. No, please. Yes. There is a strong reaction. This trade is ours, I think. One. Yes! Both trades are winners. Fantastic, guys. Alright, I'm opening a long trade here. I think it's clear we entered a bit late, far from the moving average, but we see a strong positive trend and the recent touch of the moving average. And let's watch. Yes, now it's better. We are safe. Okay, let's go. There might be strong volatility, but not here. 2, 1. Yes, this trade is ours, guys. Along with nearly 2,000 bags. That's pretty neat. Let's look at today's trade history. Let's access our results. We started at 6.15. Profitable trade. And it's a loss here. Pretty unpleasant loss. It's loading. Yes, something's up with the connection. Recovered trades here. And final profit. That's how it's done. We made plus 20% to our balance in 5 trades, using only our fingers and moving average. A super simple yet incredibly effective tool. Don't disregard knowledge, subscribe and watch my videos regularly. You'll get results like this very soon if you are diligent. Thanks for watching, love you all. See you soon, guys.